back to Line Dance with Christiane. Yes, we can. Let's learn a really fun dance for the new year called Countdown, right? January. We just counted down to the new year. Let's go. It's 4 walls, 32 counts, only one tag on wall that starts on wall 10, but you're actually doing it on the 6 o'clock wall after 24 counts, and the tag looks like this. It's 4 counts. Right, left, drop, body, roll. That's it. Right, left, drop, body, roll, and the counts are 1, 2, 3, and 4. When you finish, make sure you put your weight on your left foot so you can start again. So that's the tag, 4-count tag on wall 10. First 8, 2 wizard steps, right, behind and left, behind and rock, recover, triple step, turn. The turn is a 3/4 turn. So it's wizard and rock, recover, and triple step, turn. Good, and the counts are 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Perfect, first 8. Second 8, your left foot's free, so you're gonna do step, clap, right foot, step, clap, rock, recover with the left, rock, recover, and a half triple step over your left shoulder. Triple step, ending on your left foot. Okay, so we just did our end of our first 8 is a rock, recover, and a triple step. Second 8, stomp left, clap, stomp right, clap. Stomp left, clap, stomp right, clap, left, rock, recover, and a half triple step over your left shoulder. Good. Okay, with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Perfect. Third 8. 2 kickball changes, 2 of them. So you do kick, ball, change, or a kick, step, step, kick, step, step. Then we do a right bump, bump, quarter. So we go over our right shoulder, bump, bump to the right, just a quarter. Now we do a half over our left shoulder with our left hips. So half, bump, bump. So we just did our step, clap, clap. Okay. Next 8, starting with our left foot. Step, clap, rock, recover, and a triple step. Kick, ball, change, right hips, half turn, left hips. Good. So the first 8, let's do the 3 8s from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Wizard, and rock, recover, and a triple step, turn, and a step, clap, and a step, clap, and a rock, recover, and a triple step, and a kick, ball, change, and a kick, ball, change, and a right, and a left. Those are the first 3 8s with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Okay, last 8. We are facing the 6 o'clock wall, but we want to go there. So we're going to do a quarter and then a half and a half. So the quarter and the counts are 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we do a 1 and, a step behind over our right shoulder to the 9 o'clock wall. So 1 and 2. Then we do a half turn, left, half turn, right. Good. So it's, just did our bumps. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 7 and 8 is a coaster step. So let's try that turn. So we're facing this way, so we have to do a quarter and then a half and a half because we want to end up facing that wall. So it's truly a full turn with a quarter. So step behind and left, right, coaster step with the left foot. So let's try it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So quarter, half, half, step, step, coaster, step. One more time. This is a little tricky part. So we're facing here. We're gonna go over there and all the way around and back to there. So a quarter and a full. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and left, right, coaster step. One more time with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good. Let's put the whole sequence together from the top. 4 8s. 5, 6, starting with, we'll do it with words first and then with counts. First with words. 5, 6, 7, 8. Wizard and wizard. And a rock, recover, and a triple step, and a step, clap, and a step, clap, and a rock, recover, half triple step, kick, ball change, right, half left, step, behind, and step, 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 coaster step. Good. With counts from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. That's it. Have fun. Bye-bye.